What is up, traders and other people? In this video I want to talk about my favorite trading books that will be entertaining to read as well as educational. Number 1, Reminiscence of a Stock Operator. This book is a novel, believe it or not, about legendary trader Jesse Livermore. It was written in 1926, so it's an old book, and it is just a classic. Most of you have probably already heard of it. It's entertaining, very realistic, and it's pretty good. Yeah, I'll read it again, and then I'll probably do like a bigger review, because I don't remember very much of it in detail. Okay. Number 2, Market Wizard. I love this book. Not just this book, but the entire series. New Market Wizards, The Little Book of Market Wizards. I gotta do a video on that book as well. But this is just the classic Market Wizards, written by Jack Swagger. And it is just an interview with a bunch of professional traders. And it gives you an insight into life as a trader, and you'll get a bunch of gold nuggets from these pro traders. Some of the traders he interviewed are Paul Tudor Jones, Ed Sequoia, Larry Hite, and Ray Dalio, just all of these legends. Okay. Trading in the Zone. This book by Mark Douglas is, without a doubt, the book to read on trading psychology. Okay, this book really helped me understand the fact that when trading, you shouldn't think about the individual trade. You should look at the bigger picture and look at the next 100 trades. Okay, so this helped me eliminate my emotions regarding the individual outcome of each trade. These 3 books, classic investment books, trading books that I think every aspiring trader should read. And here's the thumbnail. No, that was not good. Okay, I'll do that later. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.